Scott's Wild Camper, the wild camping channel for the great outdoors. Two baked potatoes Stephen just put in, and we're going to get a steak. Stephen's got 2 steaks, so that'll be great. I love my steak. I'll probably make a curry for Stephen the next time.
With apples in it.
Apples in it, everything in it. Bits you want, Stephen? Do you think that's just that? There's a frying pan on the grill with a couple of big juicy steaks waiting to get on. Look at that setup, fantastic. All mod cons, eh? As far as, right, absolutely great. There's the steak I was talking about, look at that, fantastic. And the chef for the night, Stephen. Great stuff. Right, I'm just going to switch off and stuck into that in about 5 minutes. What do you think, 5 minutes?
Depends how you like
a bit longer. I'm going to add salt and pepper in it in a minute. Yeah, Stephen. Still sawing that tree. That's about 15 trees we've sawn down.
Can I stop yet, Eddie?
No, we need more wood.
Man.
Had a wee go earlier with the saw. Next time I'll have a go at the axe. Beware Stephen. When we swing the axe a bit, keep well away. Now we had a wee hike there to go up to the path to get a phone signal. Then we found our way back, had a wee wrong turn, but nothing, no emergency. We knew we were going to get to the shelter, Camp Cavana I should say.
It's got a ring to it, that.
Yeah, definitely sounds good. There you go, a roaring fire, can't you whack it? There you go, that's real bushcraft stuff. There you go, set up, what a setup. Made his shelter and the fire and everything, great stuff. I taught him everything I know. Which is nothing, you wouldn't have...
Good tradesman. None of this would have happened if it wasn't for Eddie.
Aye, what the hell, would have took me about a year. He's done well, great stuff. His friends will get the benefit as well, and that's it.
Sharing the experience.
Aye. It's a really good bit. 2 thumbs up. Don't know what you're seeing, if anything. Just a couple of bright head torches. What time is it? I'll tell you the time if I can. 49. We'll probably hit the sack in about, what, 10 or something?
Aye.
10 o'clock, let the fire die, obviously, and I'll try out my new shelter.
Looks good, but doesn't it, the wee shelter?
Aye, it's just ideal, as I say. I think that's why I got it for the woods, but I want to not give up on the hammock stuff. I want to try that as well, get back to trying the hammock, give it a fair go.
Bit quiet, isn't it? I
think we've done the wood. No more, we're not going to saw any more wood, are you?
No.
That's it for the night.
That's me just sat down.
Right.
Job done.